bro.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
What are we ready for?
For some pho-nomenal pho.
Yeah.
When is dinner?
Pho?
A little bit.
Ginger.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah. Time. Onion.
Oh, Collin would be so mad at me if he saw this.
If he saw me calling Janice, he'd be really angry too.
Your call has been forwarded to
Oh
a
man.
Hot tea in the kitchen, honey on your spoon. I've been chasing satellites since we lit it on the moon. Find one, oh we know. Oh. It's a natural inquisition. We just wanna know about lightning bolts and waterfall. Oh, where all the night walls go. Find one, oh we know. It's that same old repetition that gets you weary in your knees.